Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Yoga Infusion. My name is Dylan and this is Honey. And today's class is going to be a quick morning fluid flow designed specifically to get the body up and moving first thing in the morning. We don't always have time to do a full-blown yoga class, so this class is a really nice way to start any day, or you can use it as a warm-up for a more intense yoga class. Before we begin though, please make sure to subscribe to this channel if you like these classes, and head on over to Instagram and follow me at yoga.infusion so that we can have more, deeper, better conversations outside of YouTube. So when you're ready, I will meet you on the mat. So we'll begin today lying on our backs, which you might be there already if you're still in bed. Oh, honey, come back. Bring your knees into your chest and just give yourself a hug for a second, just to start. You can keep the eyes closed, keep your attention inward. No need to rush into the day. Take your hands to your knees now and begin to draw circles with the knees, keeping your hands attached, so using that to gauge your distance. Bringing a nice little massage into the lower back. Switching directions. Come back to center. Keep the right knee in the chest. Take the left leg long on the mat or your bed and take a gentle twist, supine twist. No need to go crazy here. We're just waking up, just starting. Inhale, come back to center, switching legs, left leg in, right leg long, supine twist. Back to center. Take both legs long now. Reach the arms above the head. Point the toes. Arch the back. Take a full body stretch. Let it feel really nice. Big breath in. And as you exhale, bring the knees into the chest. Grab onto the backs of the thighs and rock and roll along the spine a few times. Coming up to a seat. Take your hands onto your knees here, and as you inhale, arch the body forward, draw the shoulder blades down the back, open the heart. Exhale, round back on the sits bones, chin to chest. Inhale, open. Exhale, round, spinal flex. You can go slower, fast. If you want to get a little more energy, a little faster, you can speed it up. I personally like to take this really slow, but I have a very stiff back in the morning. So this is really nice for me because it's stretching all the stiff places. But make it your own. This is a fluid practice. We're not going to be holding anything for very long, and it's meant to be really quick so that you can fit it into any day of the week, every day of the week if you want. Just saying. Inhale back to center. We'll take some Sufi grind. So as you arch the body forward on the next inhale, take your torso over towards the right leg and then the left leg. And then as you exhale, round back on the sits bones, drawing a big circle with the spine in the pelvic bowl. Really try to get into all the crevices, all the crannies here. Let it feel really good. And if you have extra time, of course, you can always do any of these postures for longer if it feels good for you. Switching directions. Take one more. Excellent. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale here. And then take your hands forward, coming into a tabletop. Spread the fingers wide, flip the toes under, and come into a down dog. Now, first down dog of the day. Maybe you're tight, maybe you're still tired. You can keep the knees super bent here. Keep the spine long, lengthen the back of the neck. And then find some movement here in the hips, in the shoulders. It doesn't really matter what it looks like right now, okay? Nobody's looking at you. It's way too early in the day. So pedaling through the legs, maybe going side to side. Maybe get into the shoulders. Find any movements here that your body is asking for. So really give your body permission. Get the brain out of it. Keep the head out of it right now. This is the body's time. Keep the breath long. Come back to center. Find stillness. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot on the outside of the right hand. Keep the heel lifted. And then inhale the right arm towards the sky. So again, let go here. Maybe you let the right hand fall back and the heart lifts towards the sky. Maybe find some movement in the hips, in the shoulders. Ooh, that sounds nice. Let's draw big circles with the shoulders. Again, feel free to make this your own. I did not plan this. My shoulders just said, I want this. So I'm offering it. One more. And then place that right hand down. Inhale, come back into a three-legged dog. Right foot lifts. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands this time. Drop the left knee down. Inhale, come up, low lunge. Find some pulsing here. Find some movement in the hips. You can take your hands above the head, prayer, or on the hips, whatever works best for you this morning. Take some spiraling movements with the torso. We're not holding anything today. Everything is movement. Now coming back to center, take the right hand to the right hip. Reach the left arm up and over, side bend. Press down firmly through the left top of the foot. Maybe take your gaze up to the sky. Nice. Inhale, come back up, reach up. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back to a three-legged dog. Place the right foot down. Inhale the left foot up. Exhale, step the left foot on the outside, keep the heel lifted, right hand down. Inhale, left arm comes up. Again, maybe taking some movements here, swaying. Maybe allow that heart to reach towards the sky. Gravity takes the left hand, open across the chest. Say hi to Miette. She wants to join us this morning. And then we'll draw some big circles with that left arm to keep things even. Left shoulder mobility here. Or if you did something else on the other side, now's your chance to do it here. One more. Place the left hand down, step it back, three-legged dog. And then step the left foot between the hands, drop the right knee down, inhale, low lunge. Finding that movement, little bit of pulsing on the hips, A little bit of spiral movements with the upper body. Allowing your body to lead. Let the mind still be asleep right now. Let the body have the head. All right, take the left hand to the left hip, reach the right arm up and over. Maybe look up, really keep strong in that right leg. Inhale, reach the left arm back up, come back to center. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back to three-legged dog. And step the left foot down. Inhale, rock forward to plank. And then bring the belly all the way to the mat. Cobra. Open the heart, press through the tops of the feet and the tops of the hips and the hip points. And release. Take the hands to the side of the mat. Come on to the tips of the fingers, point the elbows towards the sky. Really engage through the legs and the hips this time. Inhale, lift up. Extended cobra. And release. Plant the hands and press it back to downward dog. All right. Inhale, rock forward to plank. Drop the hips, open the heart. Exhale, press it back to down dog. We're in a fluid flow here. Inhale, draw the chin into the chest, round the back. Pause for half a second at plank. And then drop the hips and open upward dog to down dog, 2. I'm gonna go for 10, but you do you. If you don't wanna do 10, you don't have the time, that's fine. Really allow the spine to move here. Maybe you're like me and you're gonna spend the rest of your day in a chair. We really need to get the spine lubricated. Since we won't be lubricating it while we're working. A few more. Last 3 for me. Last one. Downward dog. Take a few more fluid movements here. I'm going to close it up with a little bit of speed, but nothing too crazy. Okay, inhale the right leg up. Exhale, step it on the outside of the right hand, keep the heel lifted. Inhale the right arm towards the sky. Exhale back, three-legged dog. Place it down. Inhale left leg. Exhale out. Inhale left arm up. Exhale, kick it back, three-legged dog. Left leg down. Continue right. Linking breath with movement. Allow the body to be open here. A few more. Big breaths. Last one each side. And downward dog. Walk the hands to the back of the mat. Forward fold. Shake the head. Roll the shoulders. Bend through the left leg. Keep the left hand down. Inhale the right arm towards the sky. Right leg straight. Switching sides. Right hand down. Right knee bent. Left arm to the sky. And release. Bend the knees, draw the chin into the chest. Inhale, ragdoll roll, super slowly. Up to standing. Coming to the center of your mat. Take the hands to prayer at the heart, and we'll take 3 breaths here. Deep, long, slow breaths. Grounding down through the feet. Through the practice, so that we can begin our day with presence, awareness, and intention. Take a final deep breath in and out. Blink the eyes open. Take the awareness, the presence of this practice with you for the rest of your day. Practice often, and I will see you again for our next class together. From my heart to yours, namaste.